Beep. Ah, I have my voice back. Seki, say something.
This is literally speaking. Bro, what the hell?
Give me a moment. Beep.
This is too slow.
Okay, third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. Beep. You're watching.
Literally, oh my god!
Today, our topic is...
Sound system.
Don't you just hate it when you just can't find your voice?
Beep. Are you happy now?
Yes, but it'll make me much happier if we let bygones be bygones. And focus on the video.
When it comes to speaking, there are many elements to be aware of. We're not going to teach you how to change your voice or sing better or anything like that. Today, our video is to let you know the effects of vocal variety on your audience.
In order to be a more charismatic speaker, you need to be aware of how changing your voice would affect how the audience would feel.
Seki is going to take over the next part, so I'm just going to whip this graph down.
According to TEDx speaker Jeremy Donovan, our voice would invoke certain feelings and emotions into our audience based on our vocal variety. This graph here shows exactly that. Let's say you're speaking loudly or shouting. If you're loud but speak at a slow rate, you would sound more authoritative.
Where are they? Killing is making a choice. Where are they?
But if you spoke faster at the same loud volume, you would sound more passionate.
And what the enemy will see is the flash of our cannons. They will hear the ring of our swords and they will know what we can do.
Likewise, if you spoke softly towards the whispering side, you would sound calming if you spoke slowly.
So now he's destroying my carefully constructed center control, and he threatens to overrun my forces.
And suspenseful if you spoke quickly.
Seriously, Brandon, you do not know who you're dealing with. You think you know what it means to be a guard. Trust me, you don't know the meaning of the word.
Experiment with your voice and try it yourself.
Wow, what about pitch?
Good question. Why don't you explain?
Fine. Compared to what we mentioned previously, pitch is harder to change. We all have our natural speaking pitch. You can try to experiment with low pitch and high pitch in order to inject different qualities to your voice. For example, a high pitch carries feminine qualities, whereas a low pitch carries masculine qualities.
Why would you need masculine or feminine voice?
Aha! Sometimes you may want to alter your pitch in order to impersonate certain characters for dramatic effect. Don't overdo it though.
You were overdoing it.
Shut up.
Anyways,
Remember, your voice is your own unique sound system.
we're not telling you to change how you sound or that your voice is bad. No, we're telling you how different sound qualities would invoke different feelings from your audience.
Just remember that even when you attempt different types of voices, the most important thing is to be yourself. Be natural. Because your audience will know when you're overdoing it or being fake. So don't overdo it unless you specifically need to.
So to recap, be aware of your volume, speaking rate, as well as the pitch of your voice. Each of these elements would affect how your audience feel. Well, that's pretty much it about this video.
We hope you learned something today about voice control.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you've not done so.
Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be reminded every time we release a new video. So keep learning
Keep enjoying.
and keep watching Literally Speaking.